So I'm going to list first of all, lot of topics are important. There is not this one. Okay, here it is better. List the topics are very basic level. First, not that one. So first of all, VPN. VPN proxy generally. More students are asking about a proxy, not interviews generally, but proxy is also one of the related parts. Okay, leased lines. So these three are interrelated. So then, okay, so that's why these three parts. Okay, next is Outlook. Outlook configurations. Outlook configuration. Troubleshooting. Next one is backup. Yeah, if you find this material anytime, including I have a videos, then also you can try that one. Okay, it's very old, but still four videos. Sir. Okay, complete explanation it is. Okay, yeah, Outlook is another one. Next is Office 365. What is this? Office 365. What are the packages, services, usages? That those things are there. And next one is cloud. Generally, everybody should has a knowledge on cloud, basic knowledge. Means what are the types of cloud? Okay, cloud types like a private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud kind of stuff. So, models, cloud service models or cloud models. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. Next is benefits. Benefits. Comparison. So on premises data center to cloud. Advantages and disadvantages. Benefits. So this is the cloud related, and of course cloud service providers. That's it. Of course, in a cloud there is a AWS cloud is also there, right? Azure cloud is there, IBM cloud is there, Oracle cloud is there. Lot of clouds are there, but who are their cloud services? What are the services they are providing? Okay, so today just we have only 15 minutes maximum time. Okay, so I will finish these 3 points. Okay, why I'm telling these things because just try to find all these things. Okay, so, I don't have I may have a PPT kind of stuff, but currently it is not there anything. Okay, just try to explain. Look at guys, I'm not giving any notes, specific notes. We'll see, we'll see that. First of all, this is my whole infrastructure. Means this is my organization. This is my organization. In my organization, I have a my server related infrastructure. Understand? The meaning is I have a servers, data centers, right? So we have a data center, storage devices, okay, network connectivity. So everything is there in this thing. As I said, data center monitoring. What is important here? It is physical access. A person want to go inside this server room, so it is a physical access related issues will come up, right? So then you have to protect this room from the physical access. You may have seen some movies, mainly English movies kind of stuff. So they are going secretly with like there is a lot of challenges. You if you step, each step is very thing. Putting cards, iris scan, thumb impressions, very strong passwords, like security, right? So that's a physical access security, physical access point. Remember these points also. Why? Because this also answer for a small part of answer for a cloud computing. Okay. The next one is how to access this server through network. How to access this server through network. For example, this is my database server. I want to access my database server, right? So from where I'm accessing database server? From my cabin, like this. So how I'm accessing? Through network, right? So through network only I'm accessing. This is my PC. I'm here. I'm here. This is my PC. I'm here. Through network connectivity, I'm able to access, right? So this is anyway, somewhat it is connected. Finally, it is connected. So if any person is try to access the servers, any of the servers, right? We need to protect it. So this is called a network protection also required. The point is exactly we should not go to that much deep points. So this is a server room. People are not allowed to go inside to the room. So what we are doing through the network, we are accessing the server. That is called a in band. That is called a in band. Okay. If in case a person went inside, is directly went to this server, directly went to the server. So because something he has to install or update, he cannot do it remotely. So he has to go inside and contact the server directly. Okay, this user went to the server room, access the server directly, not through network. That is called out of band. Okay, this is also not a matter, but try to understand this out of band, in band. Some people say bond also there, but in band, out of band, outbound is also there. Okay, in band or in bond means it is you're accessing through network. Okay, normally we think in means inside. No, in means inside of network. Out means outside of network. You're accessing directly. So of course, you're employee of same organization. Your server is in your place only. For example, I went to Hyderabad office. My server is in Hyderabad office only. I want to access. How to access? Through the basic LAN communication, right? Through this LAN communication, I can able to access, right? So that is called a inbound. Or I can access, go inside and access also there. For example, I stay in a branch office. For example, this is office in the New Jersey. There is a server. It is in my Hyderabad office. We have a servers here. I have my server room, not large as that one, but I have a server inside of it. So many black boxes, guys. Little confusion can be there. This is also similar. This database, same server. I want to maintain a copy. So because something servers are there, do not think 3 kind of stuff. Okay. So here it is. My user is there, not a client. I'm not talking about a client. Here is a user who is working with this database server. I want to connect this database server to this database server. So this database server is in New Jersey or London. I put London now. Actually, my favorite is New Jersey. Our headquarters in New Jersey. So I put a London. So Lon in New Jersey is always better. Okay. Or California, like something. Different geographical location. This is in this location, that is in location. What companies will do generally, they'll connect together with a dedicated line called a leased lines. Leased line. So they contact the this service providers or telephone companies generally. What they will ask, I want to connect from the here to here. It does not mean by symbolically it is a straight line, but in general it is not direct one wire is from this office to that office not be there. So through what we can say uh, through telephone companies or internet service provider companies, I ask for a direct line, direct connectivity. So they, what they will do is the flow of traffic from the here to here is direct. So no one in the public network touch this line. So there's a simple line is connection, it will go. So there is some standards like a T1, E1, T2, E2 connections also there. So here where is this T1, E1 lines are there. So different standards. T1 is one kind of standard, E1 is a another kind of standard. What happened? Okay. Are a private or leased line services. E1 is a used in North America and E1 is European equivalent because these lines are dedicated point to point service for a single users. They have attract to attributes that are different from generic internet links. We are all using generic internet links, means broadband connections. But this is not a broadband type, it is a dedicated point to point services for a single user. Okay, next, each one having a different size, like a T1 carries 2.048 MB per second. Okay, that is no T1 E1 different things, but it is not showing like that. So this is E1, E2, E3 kind of stuff. So each one having a dedicated speed is there. So see here it is. So each one is one T1. So you are want a more more speed, then you have to buy more also. Okay, whatever it is, this is a standard for a leisure lines or a dedicated line standards. Of course, you can try T1 line speed. Okay, 1.5444 Mbps. 1.544 Mbps. Similarly, for E1 European standard, it's a 2.048 Mbps. This is a standard only. It is okay. Yes, of course, standard changes, speed changes. Okay, so it will take what I put it here. T1, T2, 3, T3, E1, E2, E3 dedicated lines are there. So they will take these lines according to their organization and speed of things. What is this leisure lines? It is a dedicated lines, not a broadband lines. Broadband line means like a highway road. Everyone can able to connect to the broadband and travel. Broadband lines based on the traffic increases, traffic increases. What happen? Traffic increases, speed decreases, right? You cannot go fast. Okay, delay increases, speed decreases, traffic increases. Traffic decrease, like early morning you want to travel morning 6 o'clock only you started. Okay, for example, your office at 9 o'clock, you are started at 8 o'clock, you may reach by 9. You started at 7:30, you may reach by 8 o'clock. Okay, you started 8:30, you may reach by 10 o'clock. What is the difference? So the delay, the traffic increases, right? So traffic increases, delay will occurs, the speed will be reduced. On time reaching is will be reduced. That will happens to broadbands. Leisure lines are dedicated, no traffic, no other traffics in these lines, no others are allowed. It is a dedicated lines. But there is a little flaws are there. What is the flaw? It is a, of course, secure line without any encryption. Laser lines are secure lines without encryption. There is no encryption, no tunnels. Okay, but dedicated line secured because of it is a dedicated line. No one is allowed inside. Okay, that is a good thing, right? So, but the cost of the line management, you have to manage the lines. These are lines you have to manage lines. That is like every month or every year you have to pay the more than regular broadband connection you have to pay. But leisure lines, if you take 10 Mbps means it's a 10 Mbps. You take 50 Mbps means 50 Mbps. 100 Mbps means 100 Mbps. Okay? Leisure lines are like that. But if in case broadband, 50 Mbps means it can be 5 or a 10 or 20 or 50. Up to 50 Mbps broadband. 50 and means 50. 50 means 50 leisure lines. Up to 50 broadbands. It is like the traffic increases, your internet speed decreases. In a leisure line, irrespective of what traffic in the internet traffics, it never decrease. It keep maintain these leisure lines. Okay, that is the third one. So first one is dedicated. It is secure but not encrypted. No tunnels required. It directly connected. Both are feel like a both are in a same LAN network. Okay, and the second one is because of dedicated lines you have to pay more money. Okay, and the next one is it is a dedicated lines. It's not like a broadband. In the speed of internet not changes based on the actual internet speed. But there is a fourth column is there. So that is our what we require, the fourth column and second column. The second this is a second one is column, fourth one is also column. First one and the third one I told positive point, 2 point cost is a negative point, right? So the what is the fourth point? It is, for example, for example, a person is working from a home, work from home person is there, right? A work from home person is there. Okay, so and or maybe a branch office is there. For them, these leads lines are very difficult to connect. Hyderabad is big, New Jersey is big, no problem. Pune office is very small. Bangalore office is small. Noida office is small, for example. Just for example. I can't able to give any again leisure lines. Again, I can't invest more money on these leisure lines for a multiple connections. So what I will do it, I use here a VPN connection. I use here a VPN. VPN is like a VPN server. What is this VPN server? Everybody can able to connect it to the internet, right? So this is directly connected to the internet, and people are connected to this internet directly. Either work from home candidate or working from branch office candidate also can able to connect very easily. This is a work from home type, right? Home based users or a office based users want to connect these servers from their laptops directly through VPN. So it is nothing but a VPN server. Server means it VPN server can be a any dedicated server like Linux and Windows servers. Can be a firewall act like a VPN server, okay, or a Cisco VPN hardware servers. VPN software servers are there, hardware servers are there, guys. So what is this VPN? Virtual private network. Oh, time's up, huh? Just maximum 5 minutes. I will close. Okay, what is a VPN, guys? Virtual private network. What is VPN? Virtual private network. Second one is you don't require leisure lines to connect to your corporate office. You don't require to pay for a leisure lines. Corporate. You can access your network or your servers, okay, through internet. Through internet. But and the security is important, right? Yes, VPN is a secure line. VPN is a secure line by encrypt the line, by encrypt the data. By encrypting the data, it is secure. And it use a tunnel so no others will come inside. No data tapping. No data tapping. Because it is using a tunnels. Tunnels like a the names of tunnels protocols, tunneling protocols. TP means tunneling protocols. Layer to tunneling protocol, point to point tunneling protocol, okay. IKE internet key exchange. Someone like a GRE is also there. Exactly, that is a new protocol. I'm not having. I'll check it. L2TP, layer to tunneling protocol, PPTP, point to point tunneling protocol, L2TP, that's okay. There is a SSTP, secure socket, okay. Secure socket is also there, secure socket tunneling protocol, SSTP kind of stuff is also there. They use a tunneling protocol and different encryption methods also there, internet key exchange encryptions, um, chap ms chap kind of authentication systems, chap challenge handshaking authentication protocol version 2, okay. Authentication, strong authentication protocols, okay, and as well as tunneling protocols they use, and also encrypting the data using 256K kind of stuff also, they'll encrypt the data. So what is this VPN? One side of VPN is connected to the internet, other side is connected to the local network. The first of all, a user is trying to connect VPN. User is trying to connect to VPN. First, he has to connect it to VPN by VPN IP address, VPN IP address or a domain name. Some name will be there. IP address or a name. IP address or a name. This yellow color not look good, right? So then using IP address or a name, domain name kind of stuff, username, okay, username, password. Next, tunneling protocol. Which protocol? Which type of encryption we are using? So see, the user encryption certificate or a encryption protocol, he has to choose it. Okay, some organization give a certificate to connect. Okay, user has a certificate, using this certificate only he can able to connect it. Okay, so first of all you have to reach VPN. You have to tell your username and password, and also you have to tell which tunneling protocol the VPN using. That same tunneling protocol you have to use it. And there is a, for security, there is a encryption certificate, or maybe you have to select a, encryption, just an encryption part only. Okay, now, so VPN server verify your user identity, user identity, the tunneling protocol sender. Once VPN okay with that, once VPN is okay with that, what it will do, it create a secure line from VPN server to you over the internet. Over the internet. So I try to draw it from here. It create a secure line through internet. So you can able to access this infrastructure. You can access this infrastructure from your home through internet by connecting to VPN server. By connecting to VPN server. So once you are connected to VPN, so you are allowed to access. Once you are allowed to access, of course, you can connect your laptop and you can access it. Okay. So even for example, my sister is working on some tools like a Tableau kind of tools and all. She's working. Her database server is somewhere it is located. I don't know. No, she's also don't know. Her server is somewhere it is located. What they will do it. The morning they open, so connected to VPN, and the VPN connection is established. So they open the related application like a Tableau or a the data warehousing tools. So many tools are there, no? Or studios. That is what we can say, SQL developer application. They open this thing, and there is a connection related to database server connector. That's why given database server connector is more easy to explain. Okay, so they give the IP address of database server and all kind of stuff. Already VPN is established the connection, so you don't need to go through internet again. You are in the already in the internet. Just you are going inside these tunnels to reach the database connector. Connection is established and start working. So you don't need to go to office for this one. See, in this one is going to office to work or going inside. So you don't need to go inside a server. Just you can work with the network, but both are in the same organization. And the person is working here in the outside of in the organization, but different geographical location by connecting these things to laser lines. Now the laser lines also not required because it is costly. Costly. Another one is we cannot connect for every place for dedicated usage, but for small branches, home offices, we use better is VPN. So what is this VPN? Virtual private network. It make a connect users through the regular broadband internet by using encryption and tunneling protocols. So the line is secure. Once you are established the connection with the VPN, your line is secure line, that there is a tunnel, so no other people can able to trap your data, and they can't crack your data also by because it's encrypted. So you can easily connect your infrastructure or servers through the VPN server, and you can start doing your work. So guys, this is the story of VPN. In case of in an interview, you got a question, what is a VPN? If you tell all this story, they will die. Okay, so just I'm trying to explain what is the use of VPN. Try to make it as a 4 to 5 lines, simple lines. What is VPN and what is the use of VPN? Put them into the simple lines only. Then do it. Just I'm trying to explain instead of giving lines. If you understand, good. If you don't understand, it is absolutely okay for me. For you, it is. I don't mind about it. Yes, okay with this one. Understand? Can you tell someone? Not understand is also okay, acceptable. No problem. T1 even. Very good. No one is speaking. That is also good. Okay.